How to copy link of your Facebook page in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then here you can see the pages. You can find the pages in the something flag like icon. Click on the pages, and what you have to do is when you click on the pages, here you can see I have click on the pages that you have, and when you click on your page, and then what you have to do is here you can see this is a pop-up window. In the pop-up window near in the below the Hare Ram Singh, below your user, below your page name, yeah, this is pop-up window. You have to uh, take it to the right side, take it to the left side, and you have to click on the more button, and then you have to scroll down and click on here. You can find the copy page link in the bottom of this page, and so click on the copy page link. Oh, click on the copy page link, and here you can see the copied link, and here you can see the your you have copied your page link. So that's basically it, that how you can copy the link of your Facebook page and in 2021. So that's basically it, that if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like in this video, and share with your friends, and also comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.